afternoon. We are going to go over Go Math Lesson 6.6 today, Modeling with Arrays. Our essential question for today is, how can you use arrays to solve division problems? You guys have worked with arrays in the past in multiplication, and today we're going to see how to use them in order to solve a division problem. What we are going to do is we're going to use arrays to model division and to find equal groups. First, we must count out 30 tiles and make an array to find how many rows of 5 are in 30. We do this by starting out making a row of 5 tiles. So we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are then going to continue to make as many rows of 5 tiles as we can. So we are going to continue to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to continue to do this until we have counted out all of our 30 counters in order to make rows of 5. Once we have counted out all 30 counters into rows of 5, we can then count how many rows of 5 we were able to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we were able to make 6 rows of 5 out of our 30 counters. We can now use this information to write a division equation to show how many rows of 5 are in 30. So we can look at our array, and as we discovered with our array, there are 6 rows of 5 tiles in 30. So 30 divided by 5 equals 6. In our last problem, we determined that there would be 6 rows of tiles if we put 5 tiles in each row, and we're using 30 tiles. Let's try another problem where we can determine how many tiles would be in a row if we already know how many rows we're going to make. For this problem, we're going to count out 24 tiles to make an array with the same number of tiles in 4 rows. So what we have to do is we have to place 1 tile in each of 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we must continue placing 1 tile in each row until we have used all of our tiles. So we would again go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we would continue sorting out each tile. 1, 2, 3, 4, until we have come up with how many rows would be needed. When we complete the process, we can count out then how many rows were needed to include all 24 tiles in 4 rows. So now let's count how many tiles were in each row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 tiles in each row. We can use that to write a division equation for this array. Our division equation would then read 24 tiles divided into 4 equal rows would have 6 tiles in each row. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson on modeling division with arrays. Have a good evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.